Excel formulas can be a maze of nested functions and obscure syntax. That's where AI chatbots step in to translate plain English into working spreadsheet logic. Among the top contenders, ChatGPT with GPT-4 handles complex formulas with clear explanations, while Microsoft's Copilot integrates directly into Excel for seamless context-aware suggestions. Google's Gemini offers strong support for Google Sheets, and specialized tools like Sheet AI focus exclusively on spreadsheet tasks. The key difference comes down to context. Copilot reads your actual data and structure, while ChatGPT requires you to describe the sheet manually. For one-off formulas, ChatGPT's step-by-step reasoning is hard to beat. For ongoing work within a live spreadsheet, Copilot's integration saves significant time. The takeaway: if you work in Excel daily, Copilot's deep integration wins. If you need flexible, detailed explanations across any spreadsheet tool,